Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies out there this morning. We'll have some low-level cloud cover starting to build in for the afternoon and evening hours as a marine layer comes on shore, and that'll provide us with some more mostly cloudy conditions to move into later today. Looking at our sounding across the area this morning, seeing a freezing level at 14,800 feet, winds out of the northeast at around 25 knots in low levels, and then decreasing when we get up to the mid levels and becoming more northwesterly, anywhere from about 15 to 20 knots, and then seeing that wind really die down in the upper levels, the upper level ridge overhead, seeing a west southwesterly wind at 20,000 feet at 7 knots, and then seeing more of a northwesterly wind at 25,000 feet at 24 knots, and that's our peak wind this morning. Looking at our surface analysis, we have an area high pressure over the Ohio Valley and the Mid-Atlantic states. It's going to be ridging into the New England area today and through Wednesday. It's going to be providing us with tranquil conditions, just going to provide us with that onshore flow for this afternoon, and with that we'll have those low-level clouds move in off the water and could provide us with some patchy fog or low cloudiness during the overnight hours and early morning hours of Tuesday and Wednesday. But overall, just a very tranquil weather pattern, fairly nice fall weather across the region. Temperatures a little bit above average for this time of year, but overall very nice few days ahead. Looking at our imagery this morning, visible imagery, we see have the low level cloud cover around 1,500 to 2,000 feet coming in from the water. It's going to be moving towards our area, or from the Atlantic Ocean moving towards our area, and giving us those clouds for this afternoon and evening hours. Pretty cool looking visible imagery this morning over the Ohio Valley and the Appalachian Mountains. There's a lot of fog across that area, especially along the riverbeds and streams. You can see that, and neat imagery this morning across that region. Looking at our GFS model for our long-range forecast, here's our Monday. Very nice conditions overall. Tuesday looking like we'll have that area high pressure over New England, and that's going to provide us with onshore flow. Fairly light overall though, so not expecting breezy conditions, but could see that low level cloud cover during the morning hours, should burn off during the afternoon hours with a developing system across the southeast states on Wednesday as an upper level trough digs into the southern plains, providing an area low pressure to develop across the Mississippi River Valley into the deep south. And overall on Wednesday, the Mid-Atlantic will just see tranquil conditions continuing as this area high pressure remains in control of our weather. And then for Wednesday night, we'll see a warm front moving through as this area low pressure continues to develop across the Ohio Valley. And that'll provide us with a few rain showers across the region. Then Thursday, looks like we'll have this area low pressure continue to deepen and strengthen across the Ohio Valley into the Great Lakes region for Thursday night, and we'll have a chance of some rain showers, especially early Thursday. Thursday afternoon we could have a few rain showers across the region, but looks like right now that warm front will be north of the region and the cold front will be south and west of the area, so could have an upper level disturbance or two moving through, giving us some rain showers, but could be dry slide during this time on Thursday. But it will be breezy to windy on Thursday with southerly flow across the region. And then Thursday night into Friday, looks like we have a likely scenario of showers and even a chance of a thunderstorm as a strong cold front moves through the region. Looks like those thunderstorm chances will be fairly low overall, as the timing of the system moving through during the overnight hours isn't as conducive for thunderstorms across the region, as well as main energy will be north of the region. See the area low pressure across New England and southeastern Canada, a fairly strong area low pressure into the 980s, so going to see that breezy to windy conditions on Friday morning with the post-frontal cold air advection moving into the region, and that'll provide us those breezy to windy northwesterly winds across the region. And then for Friday afternoon, we'll continue to see breezy conditions out of the northwest. We'll have a drier air mass moving in. Could see a lingering rain shower Friday morning, but with these stronger cold fronts, they typically move a little quicker than the models are showing, so I do expect that to move through Thursday night into Friday, and by Friday morning we should just be seeing anywhere from partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, then becoming sunny for Friday afternoon with those slightly breezy winds for Friday afternoon. And then looking on Saturday morning for our possibility in Terry's launch, we'll have high pressure in control, looking like pretty nice conditions overall. We'll have an upper level trough starting to dig into the Ohio Valley, and that's going to provide us just with tranquil conditions overall, as it won't have much moisture to work with, and just some upper level cirrus cloudiness moving in from the southwest and the upper level southwesterly flow. So it looks like a pretty good setup as of right now for a possible Antares launch this weekend. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have no chances of precipitation or lightning. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s for highs, expecting 67 degrees here at Wallops, with a northeasterly wind this afternoon at 8 to 13 knots, gusting to 18. Tonight we'll have fairly light winds overall, northeasterly from 3 to 8 knots, and with that light wind and the moisture coming in off the ocean, can't rule out some ceilings below 500 feet, and looking about a 20 to 25% chance of that occurring tonight. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will have sunny skies this morning, becoming partly to mostly cloudy this afternoon. Possibility we do see a broken deck around 2,500 feet this afternoon, but overall should see a general sky cover of scattered at 3,000. Then overnight we'll see that low-level cloud cover and chances of that building in with a chance of a broken deck around 500 feet. And then by tomorrow morning at 8 local, we should see overcast deck around 1,500 feet. We could be seeing some reduced visibilities as well with some patchy fog in the region. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Tuesday into Wednesday, Tuesday will be mostly cloudy in the morning, becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon, a high of 69, yellow for our ceilings in the morning. Tuesday night, partly to mostly cloudy with light winds and a slight chance of low clouds, a low of 54 once again with that yellow for our ceilings and visibilities. And then for Wednesday, partly to mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a rain shower late with that warm front moving through, and most likely will be after 8 o'clock or 20 local on Wednesday with a high of 70 degrees. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll have those tranquil conditions for Monday and Tuesday and a majority of Wednesday, and then Wednesday night we'll have that chance of rain shower moving through with the warm front moving into the area. And then Thursday looks like we'll have a chance of rain showers. As I mentioned, the models are kind of indicating we could get dry slide Thursday afternoon before more rain moves in Thursday evening, and especially overnight Thursday and a Friday. Thursday will be breezy to windy, and we'll have a warm high of 73 degrees. Friday will be mostly sunny and breezy, slight chance of those rain showers in the morning, but overall that front should move through fairly quickly. We'll have those northwesterly winds gusting for Friday as well, high of 64 degrees. And Saturday and Sunday, much cooler conditions, more fall-like and even below normal for this time of year. Temperatures in the upper 50s to mid-50s for highs, and morning lows in the lower 40s across the peninsula. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. and 8:15.